This month, YouTube is going to pay me $180 for creating content for last month. And if you read what is under here, they said I should expect a payment in November 21st to 26th. So from this month, from 21st to 26th, I should expect YouTube sending me $180. And if you check the down here too, they also said I've already made $48. And by the time I'll edit this video, perhaps it will take me 1 week because of one or two reasons. It will take me 1 week to probably put this video out there. It will be more than $48. So you can do your own calculations and see how much YouTube has been paying big YouTubers, because my YouTube channel is very small. So if I'm making $180 or even over $100 per month, you can imagine how much big YouTubers have been, making on YouTube. So if you're someone who wants to start a YouTube channel from scratch, I'm going to explain everything to you step by step, my personal ideas that I can give you, and also give you some of the mistakes I've made, so that if you also want to start on YouTube, you can start the right way. You don't need to stop whatever you are doing and say you are coming to make money online. You can take advantage of whatever you are doing right now and bring it on the internet space and start earning. Because if you want to come and start from scratch, you have to come and learn everything from number 1 to Z. That's why you have to watch this video, so that you know how to, shortcuts to making money on the internet. If you want to start earning from YouTube, the first thing you need is to create a YouTube account. After that, you have to select something that you are good in, or a niche that people are really interested in. And in this case, I recommend what you are already doing, because you don't have to stop your work and say, hey, I'm coming to start creating a YouTube channel from scratch on a topic that you have no idea about, but you are going there because, people are getting views and all that. So what I mean over here is that look at what you are currently doing and see if you can take advantage of it and bring it on YouTube and start earning from it. For instance, let's say you are working in the hotel. So that was why I said, I did mistakes in the past, because when I was working in the hotel, I'm supposed to take advantage of that hotel work and share my knowledge in hotel business with people, but I didn't do it. So that's why I say you should watch this video, so that you can take advantage of whatever you are doing and bring it on YouTube and make some side income for yourself. So look at what you are currently doing. For instance, if you are working in the hotel, you can advise people on the internet on what they should do whenever they go to visit a hotel, or whenever they are lodging in a new apartment or something like that. So where your knowledge is, that's what you'll be sharing online for people. So let's say you have been selling tomatoes in the market. You don't have to say you will quit selling the tomatoes because you want to make money online. So you are stopping the selling of the tomatoes to come and work on the internet, or maybe to come and start graphic designing and all that on the internet. You can also make money by selling that same tomatoes. That is, all you have to do is to set camera on yourself, selling, maybe playing some music at the background, dancing, and just entertaining people a little bit, and be posting that on your social media pages, like on YouTube. Let me be specific. So you can be posting that on YouTube. So no matter the field you are, you can be sharing that on YouTube. If people get to know that you are actually good in this particular field, they can give you job offers, or they can give you opportunities. For instance, if you are selling that tomatoes and you are making it look nice and attractive to people, a brand can, come to you and say, let's do business together. Maybe a tomato paste company can say, they would like to use your name on their brand and all that, simply because you build a brand about tomatoes. If it is, you are a barber, you have a barbering salon yourself, or you have a job, whatever it is, just be doing your video and be sharing your knowledge in that field. So if you like, you can share it on other social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, whichever platform it is, you can share it over there. Then you'll be making money from it. Guys, in that way, you are not stopping what you are doing. You are doing what you are doing, and at the same time, you can be earning a side income on YouTube. All you have to do is to continue doing it until you get 1,000 followers on YouTube and get 4,000 watch hours. Or sometimes if you are using if you want to go into short contents, you have to get only 500 subscribers. Then from there, they'll give you some monetization features and you start earning from YouTube. So guys, if you have a smartphone, you have to stop playing with the smartphone and use this as an asset. Most of you have more expensive phones and you are interested in making money online. You don't have to quit whatever you are doing. Whatever you are doing there, you can be sharing your expertise over there. So just put your camera, record yourself, and start posting it on social media. One thing is that like people actually feel shy to put stuff on the internet. And I don't think any of you watching this video here is shy than I do, but I decided to put everything aside and realize that if I want to start marketing, if I want to start reaching out to people and all that, I have to put away every kind of shyness and do what and put content out there and go and meet people face to face. So I started meeting people face to face simply because I started talking to you guys on the camera and I started maintaining eye contact and all that. That also gives me some kind of zeal to do what? To also do that the same thing in the offline space. So guys, if you are someone who wants to start using your smartphone to make money on the internet, these are some of the benefits you can get from simply uploading videos on YouTube. So the bottom line in this video is that if you want to make money on YouTube, you don't have to close down whatever you are doing currently. You don't have to leave your small business that you are doing now. You don't have to quit your job simply because you want to start a YouTube channel from scratch. So you can be doing it as a side hustle, simply sharing what you are currently doing. So you just keep sharing it, and people who are interested in that particular field will, keep learning from you. So guys, basically, that's how, you can start earning from YouTube. I mean, the easiest way you can start earning from YouTube without quitting your job or without stopping the business you are already doing. Some people really quit their job and say, I'm going to start traveling, and they are creating traveling contents. But if you are not already making like money in the traveling space before you are creating the traveling contents, then you are going to be spending a lot of money, okay? Because you are not going to be making any money from there. So you are going to be spending a lot of money before probably it will catch up. But if you don't have money to do or to fund your trip and all that, you see that it will be difficult. So someone who is already into the traveling job or traveling agency can find it easier to do what? Just create YouTube content about traveling because he's making money from there already, and YouTube is still going to pay him if he gets some number of followers. So guys, I believe you understand the whole concept. If you don't understand, be sure to leave a comment below and definitely I'll answer you over there, or you can leave whatever question you have. If possible, I can create another video about it so that it will help you to also start earning some extra income on YouTube. I believe this video has been helpful, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in another video. Bye, guys.